He on there. It's a good cat.
Caught him off the bobber.
Dang, a good catfish right here. McCall, his first catch of the day. Oh, he's fat. It's a good catfish. Dang. Look at this. He has... Fish back here got fat. Dang. Alright, guys. I started fishing up close. And I got... Sorry I didn't get you the full clip because I was on the phone. One of my fishing crew members, one of my friends. He's a bass, a largemouth. He's a good size. Female. I mean, she's a female. I'm sorry. Good largemouth. I ain't got my scale on me. There you go. That's what I'm doing. Get it out the water, bro. I'm trying to, bro. Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording right now. Oh, look at my... Oh, dang. He's a big head. Woo-wee. Oh, man. He's a fat one. Bro.
Come on, man.
Who? I have him. Oh. Who's that? I'm gonna move.
Where the pliers?
I'm gonna have to throw him. I'm gonna have to throw him.
Throw him where?
Right here. Woo! You got a fish might have moved down there?
Yep.
Look how shallow it is, though. It's unbelievable. Bring it over here. That's a good size. Guys, look, Mekhi, his paw, he's over on the another. He had a bite on his paw, and he wanted me to hand him his paw. Reeled it in, and I had a big fish. Got everybody's line messed up. Yeah. All right, there you go, guys. Good sized catfish. Now, guys, all of them look the same, but they are not the same. You can tell. Look at this. That fish is not the same from everybody else's. Look, healthy fish. Not even a cut on this fish. Look at that. Fish here, guys. I'm gonna bite. Oh. Whew. Good sized catfish. Oh man, oh man. Oh, good sized cat, man. Second bite, I knew I had something on this pole. I seen it take it. Good time, you know. I'm trying to hook the fish where it's not swallowing the hook. So as soon as you see your bite, especially with catfish, you want to hurry up and take your line because they will swallow the hook, and that's really hard taking out of a catfish. And there you go, guys. Landed them. Good sized cat. There's the fish for you.